Unmasking the Hidden, Understanding a Snake in the Grass. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and idioms. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a popular but intriguing phrase, a snake in the grass. This idiom has a rich history and offers a vivid image to describe a specific type of person or behavior. Stay tuned as we explore its origins, meanings, and how to use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, a snake in the grass, refers to someone who pretends to be your friend while secretly harboring harmful intentions. Like a snake hidden in the grass, this person is difficult to detect and can strike unexpectedly. The idiom is used to describe deceit, betrayal, and hidden dangers. It's a powerful metaphor for the unexpected treachery that can come from those we least suspect. The origin of a snake in the grass can be traced back to ancient times. It was famously used by the Roman poet Virgil in his work, Eclogues. The metaphor has survived through centuries, evolving in its use but retaining its core meaning. It reflects the universal theme of caution against hidden threats and the importance of vigilance in human relationships. Understanding how to incorporate a snake in the grass into your language can enrich your expressions and help you convey complex ideas succinctly. Here are some examples. Describing betrayal. I thought I could trust him, but he turned out to be a snake in the grass. Warning others, be careful around her. She's known to be a snake in the grass. Reflecting on deception. It's hard to believe someone so close could be a snake in the grass. The phrase can be adapted to various contexts, emphasizing the need to be wary of hidden dangers in relationships and interactions. The idiom, a snake in the grass, offers a vivid depiction of deceit and hidden malice, serving as a cautionary tale about the potential for betrayal by those who appear trustworthy. It enriches our language, allowing us to express complex ideas of trust, betrayal, and caution with a simple but powerful metaphor. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase more effectively in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English idioms. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.